Cut perfect corners on your projects with Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Corner Jig. Let's head out to our machine shop to see how this tool is made. The base plate and templates of the Corner Jig begin as solid blocks of aluminum. These parts go through a multi-step process on our state-of-the-art CNC machines to reach their final dimensions. Once machining is complete on the templates, each one is removed and carefully inspected for accuracy. The base plate is then machined separately and is test fitted to the templates to ensure a perfect fit. Now, let's head over to our industrial grade laser to see how the racket is made for the Corner Jig. Sheets of steel are automatically loaded into the machine, and parts of the racket are meticulously cut out with the laser. Once finished, the sheet moves directly over to the TKL automated parts sorter. The articulating arm features a vacuum that removes each part one at a time and neatly stacks them on a pallet nearby. This new technology here at Woodpeckers has greatly improved our machining process. The Corner Jig is wrapping up in production, and shipping will begin soon. Stay tuned for more production updates to see what we're making next.